Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're looking at HBAR Hedera Hashgraph and its latest price action with technical analysis and price predictions. HBAR is currently under selling pressure and moving within a corrective price channel. The downside pressure remains strong, and there's no clear impulsive move to the upside yet. The key level to watch is 12.8 cents, which remains a likely target before a potential rally in a fifth wave to the upside. Main support remains at 9.8 cents, which aligns with the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. So far, the price has been holding above the 38.2% retracement and key structural support at 17.5 cents. The big question is whether HBAR will drop directly before moving up or form a more complex ABC structure first. In the case of a more extended correction, we could see a short-term rally to around 28 cents before heading lower again. However, the market is currently in a narrow sideways range, holding above micro support at 17.5 cents, but struggling to break resistance between 20.8 and 21.8 cents. For an upside move to gain momentum, HBAR must break above this resistance range. Until then, the market remains in a sideways consolidation phase, which can be frustrating but is a natural part of the market cycle. These slow periods often shake out weak hands before major price moves. At this point, patience is key. Until we see a strong move breaking key levels, the market is just grinding sideways. Keep an eye on the resistance and support levels mentioned earlier to spot the next breakout or breakdown. If this update was helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more crypto technical analysis. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.